Hey there, folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of refrigerators, uncovering 15 incredible facts that will leave you chilled to the bone. So, grab your favorite snack and let's get started. Fact 1. The first refrigerator patent. Did you know that the first patent for a refrigerator was filed in 1851 by Dr. John Gorrie? His invention used compressed air to cool down rooms and preserve food, laying the groundwork for modern refrigeration. Fact 2. Ice harvesting industry. Before electric refrigerators, ice harvesting was a booming industry in the United States. Workers would cut ice from frozen lakes and rivers during the winter, storing it in insulated warehouses for year-round use. Fact 3. The evolution of refrigerants. Early refrigerators used toxic and flammable gases like ammonia, sulfur dioxide, and methyl chloride as refrigerants. It wasn't until the 1930s that safer synthetic refrigerants like Freon were developed. Fact 4. The freezer compartment. The first refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment was introduced by Frigidaire in 1913. This innovation allowed consumers to store frozen foods for longer periods, revolutionizing the way we preserve food. Fact 5. The birth of the ice maker. General Electric introduced the first automatic ice maker for home refrigerators in 1953. This convenient feature eliminated the need for manual ice trays and made ice production hassle-free. Fact 6. Refrigerator sizes. Refrigerators come in various sizes to suit different needs. But the average capacity of a household refrigerator in the United States is around 18 to 25 cubic feet. Fact 7. Energy efficiency ratings. Energy-efficient refrigerators can save both electricity and money. Look for models with ENERGY STAR certification, which indicates that they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency. Fact 8. The impact of refrigeration on society. Refrigeration has had a profound impact on society, enabling the preservation and transportation of perishable food items over long distances. This innovation has helped improve food safety and reduce food waste. Fact 9. The refrigerator magnet craze. Decorating refrigerators with magnets became a popular trend in the mid-20th century. Today, refrigerator magnets come in all shapes, sizes, and designs, adding a personal touch to kitchen decor. Fact 10. The world's largest refrigerator. The world's largest refrigerator is located at the NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It's used to store perishable items for astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Fact 11. Smart refrigerators. Smart refrigerators equipped with advanced technology are becoming increasingly popular. These futuristic appliances feature touchscreens, built-in cameras, and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to manage groceries and access recipes with ease. Fact 12. The oldest working refrigerator. Believe it or not, the oldest working refrigerator is over 90 years old. Manufactured by General Electric in 1923, this vintage appliance is still keeping food cold to this day. Fact 13. Refrigerator art exhibitions. Refrigerator doors have become a canvas for artistic expression. Some museums even host exhibitions showcasing the creative designs and messages found on refrigerator doors around the world. Fact 14. Refrigerators in pop culture. Refrigerators have made appearances in countless movies and TV shows, often serving as a source of comedic relief or a symbol of domestic life. Who could forget iconic scenes like Indiana Jones hiding inside a refrigerator to survive a nuclear blast? Fact 15. The future of refrigeration. As technology continues to advance, so does the future of refrigeration. From sustainable cooling solutions to refrigerators powered by renewable energy sources, the possibilities are endless for creating a greener and more efficient future. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about refrigerators that showcase their evolution, impact, and cultural significance. Whether it's keeping our food fresh or inspiring artistic expression, refrigerators truly are remarkable inventions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cool.